Good morning. We are on the second day of World Mithai and Namkeen Expo 2025, and currently we are at the heat and control stall, and we are having with us Mr. Venkatesha Parthasarathy with us. So, hello, sir. How are
Hello,
you?
I'm doing fine. How about you?
Fine, sir. So, how are you getting traction on the second day of the World Mithai and Namkeen Expo, sir?
Well, we are getting a lot of traction from our existing customers, and people are looking at our display and they are walking in and seeing the product in the product shelf right over there. And so they're able to correlate as to, okay, I want to do this, and then they're walking in. So the
Yeah.
traction has been pretty good.
Yeah. So, sir, Heat and Control has just introduced a fastback symphony on machine seasoning system. So, can you elaborate more about this machine?
Yeah, so that is one of our latest innovations worldwide, and I'm pleased to tell you we have brought it directly into India after
Okay.
the launch simultaneously. Number one. And the second thing is that this is a system in which you are able to effectively use the seasoning till the last drop
Yeah.
by its technology of not only weight-based application of seasoning over weight-based entry of the product, and also it is able to take the seasoning dust and grab it into a drum and make it homogeneously blend into the product. So that helps you to get a very efficient and a good responsive system.
Okay. Sir, you have done many innovations in the frying segment also.
Yes.
You have recently introduced IHX Intelligent Heat Exchanger.
Yep.
So, can you just tell more about that machine, sir?
IHX, it, as it is in short form called, it is one of the latest innovations which we have done, which is able to intelligently respond to the changing needs of the product incoming heat load,
Yeah.
and thereby able to get you a higher efficiency while saving costly fuel and environmentally friendly.
Yeah. So, sir, coming on to the next one, Heat and Control has recently evolved a lot in that high packaging solutions for food and beverage solution industry, sir. Sir, what are the specifications of high speed Inspira packaging?
So, Ishida has just two-pronged development. One is to introduce the Inspira high-speed packaging machine, which is made in Japan. It is the latest in the Ishida's bandwagon, in which we are able to give our speeds up to 140 packets per minute by seamlessly integrating various technologies.
Yeah.
Parallelly, they've also started manufacturing in India as a Make in India movement, and because of that, we are able to offer the Astro high speed machines in India to our customers.
What are the other packaging solutions which you have right now apart from Ishida?
Ishida is a mainstay, so we have case packers from Ishida, which will help in putting the product in the case as it is coming out of the line. There are check weighers, then there are X-ray, and there are also seal checkers, which are only fully integrated. So we call it ITPS, Integrated Technology Packing Systems. So everything is integrated and everything is online.
Sir, are you are presently in World Mithai and Namkeen Expo? I'm coming to the Namkeen segment right now. So, potato chips are gaining traction in India, and the packaged potato chips are being, revered across the India right now. So, can you just tell more about the Revolution Proportional Gate 3.0, which you have introduced?
Yeah. So Revolution Proportional 3.0 is a complementary technology which helps in customers to reduce wastage in the line. How? Because when you're feeding into packing machines and if the packing machines are not being fed seamlessly, you have extra product which becomes available, and that extra product either can go to wastage or you need to recircle it, which can lead to stale product. So the Revolution proportional system is able to feed on demand to the packing machines and thereby reduce all these issues.
Sir, coming on to the next one, the Make in India plank is being promoted by the central government at a large. So, how heat and control is accepting that plank, sir? How you are improving over that?
So there are two parts. We are not only doing as heat and control, we are also doing from our collaborators. So the first part is that we have put a big factory in India, which is part of the Make in India. It's an 8.5 acres situated in Chennai, and it has a 1,70,000 square feet factory space. And also we are expanding into another factory which will be ready by next year. So this is a part of the Make in India plan, which is helping our customers to get access to technology which is available globally seamlessly, as pointed out earlier. The second part is our collaboration with Ishida. So we are also promoting them to make in India, and they have set up a factory in Pune
Okay.
where they are manufacturing their multi-head weighers and packing machines, which were earlier made in Japan.
Okay.
So the customer gets a benefit out of it.
So, are you exporting those equipments
Yes.
from India across the world
Yes,
or
I'm pleased
to
to
a
tell
particular
you
segment?
that almost 75% of the capacity from Chennai is export.
Okay.
Yeah, and then even Ishida is also exporting their packing machines from India.
Means it's increasing the India's export basket a lot.
Exactly,
Yeah. So,
exactly.
sir, coming on to the next one, post 2014, we have seen at large the development of food processing industry. It's growing with a great CAGR right now. So, how do you see the schemes such as PLI scheme for food processing industry in boosting this?
So the PLI is very, very, very important because access to capital is also a challenge in the Indian environment because of the higher interest rates, and customers want to invest and move because they want to get the benefit of new technology by reducing the running cost, and this PLI scheme helps them to do that in a proper manner because the scheme has been constructed very nicely.
Okay. Sir, we have skipped a segment, the French fry segment, which is continuously growing in India right now. So, what are the solutions you have for the French fry?
So in French fries, we have done a lot of evolution. We have made our lines in French fry, and so we supply the complete line from end to end, similar to what we do in potato chips. So thereby the customers can get the complete solution from one basket. Number one, and just to I'm pleased to tell you that we are recently supplying a 40,000 kg per hour French fry fryer, which will be leaving our facility next year. Plus, this year, one hash brown line, which is a 4,500 kg per hour line,
Okay.
is also leaving a facility this year. This is one of the biggest fryers which Heat and Control has built ever.
Okay.
So, again, to reiterate the Make in India commitment, the commitment towards the market, that the technology which is available globally is seamlessly available in India. So, the company and the management have done that. So, like they are able to immediately launch it in India. So, this 40,000 kg per hour French fry line and this 4,500 kg per hour hash brown line is the biggest line in Heat and Control which is being built in India,
Okay.
designed, manufactured, and supplied by Indian engineers.
Okay, that's very fine. So
Thank you.
you are promoting the Indian talents
Yes.
across the globe. So, coming on to the next one, how do you see your expansion in India right now, and what are the sustainability solutions you are providing to the industry in reducing the electricity consumption and the overall the carbon footprints?
So that is one of the very important criteria when you talk about the reduction on carbon footprint and sustainability. So in our lines, we are developing systems and technologies like Prism and Swism, which reduce the wastewater generation and the contribution to the environment and to the effluent treatment.
Yeah.
Thereby, it helps the customer to get effluent friendly. So that is one thing we are doing. We are also having heat exchangers which are developed, which can recover energy from the stacks, which can recover energy from waste heat. So those together and everything together forms a part of a complete package which can be done as a part of one package, or they can be modular, can be applied later, so that the customer can get the full benefit of the technology to reduce the waste and also give him a good contribution.
Thank you, Venkatesh sir.
Thank you.
Thank you very much
Thanks a
for the
lot.
interview.
Thank
Thank you,
you.
sir.
Bye.